In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use filters in make.com. We'll start by creating a simple scenario so you can see filters in action. Open make.com and build a scenario with at least two modules. A module is any app, action, or trigger, and a scenario is the chain that connects them. Filters sit on the lines between modules and decide which items are allowed to move forward. Having two modules gives the filter a place to live, between the first module's output and the next module's input. Next, add the filter. Click the line that connects your two modules, then choose Set up a filter. Think of this as a gatekeeper. For every item that comes from the first module, the filter will check your rules and either let it pass or stop it right there. Give your filter a clear, descriptive label so you know exactly what it's doing at a glance. For example, you might call it approved orders. Short, specific names make troubleshooting much easier later on. Under condition, select the field you want to evaluate. This list is built from the data the previous module produces. If you're checking order approvals, choose a field like status. You can pick any property that appears in the output: dates, numbers, text, booleans, whatever best represents what you need to test. Now choose the operator, which tells make how to compare the data. Equal to looks for an exact match. Contains is useful when you want to match part of a string or find a value within a list. Not equal to excludes a specific value. Exists is perfect for cases where you only care that a field is present, regardless of what it contains. Pick the one that reflects your logic. Enter the value you want to compare against. For example, type approved. With this setup, only items where status equals approved will move to the next module. If the status is anything else, the filter blocks it. Be precise with spelling and spacing so your comparisons behave as expected. Click Save to confirm your filter settings. You can come back and edit this anytime as your scenario evolves. Finally, run a test. Click Run once and watch the execution. You'll see which items make it past the filter and which are halted. The next module should only receive the matching items, which confirms your filter is working. If something doesn't pass, that should revisit the field, operator, and value to fine-tune your logic. That's it. Your filter is now controlling the flow of data cleanly and reliably. Thanks for watching.